Hey, what's going on out there in bike land? Speed freaks, ring nuts, gearheads, nutballs, friends, family, and beyond. Welcome to the channel. I just want to do this video. I've been getting some text lately in the captions, and I do appreciate the banter. Some guys that are either new to the trade or maybe have had a bike for a while and just haven't experienced problems or reaching out asking for what they can do to in certain situations to fix their bike. I'm not a professional. Well, I'd like to think I am anyway. At least I play one on this thing. But I will do whatever I can to help you, and I do have quite a bit of knowledge. That being said, I'll be posting a link in the description where you can reach me on a Discord server. I know there's a lot of other people that use those. What's his name? LA Snoozer and probably a few others. Keegan Dad's bikes and yeah, who knows anyway. But nothing wrong with having one. I just never felt the need until now. So, but I've had one for quite some time. I've been playing a video game online for about 3 years, and we use it all the time. We also do have a link to Patreon. I'll be starting to load videos up there slowly but surely too. In the meantime, I'll put that in there. Please do join me on there as well. You can join for free if you want to donate money or do a monthly subscription. I don't know. I guess I don't even fully understand it myself. But anyway, settle that to tell you. Basically, long story short, we've posted a lot of videos over the past couple, 2-3 years, whatever, and had the phone number, had the email, whatever it is in there. So want to give people opportunity to just be able to find this directly, and maybe I'll put it in one of the playlists or something too, so it's accessible. But anytime you're scrolling through, you should be able to see that. I'll do something in the title so you guys will be able to find it all the time. But anyway, yeah, not too much going on. Started taking Bumblebee apart. Oh, excuse me. Had to do some work, getting some new bearings on the headset, on the triple tree fork there. And I got to replace one of the cranks is broken. And then we're slowly but surely going to start putting an engine on that. And yeah, so as soon as the money's available, you guys will get to see what I see, and we'll keep moving forward. So hope you guys are all having a great day out there. Everything's going well for you. This new year is bringing you blessings, and hopefully if you got any goals set up, you're following them. I guess this is, what do they call this? Dry January. So this month is supposed to be without alcohol, and I guess a lot of people set their goals, and all the gyms are full, and next month they'll all be empty. So hope you keep going with whatever you're doing and don't head to that empty gym. Well, you can if you want, but just keep going there afterwards. So until then, be well, harm none, Godspeed, and we'll see you guys soon.